I would first request CA Pavan Maluji, who has joined us from Ichal Karanchi. So, sir, if you can please unmute and share your experience of Movement 73.
थैंक यू अरिज जी। मेरा जो स्टार्टिंग है वो ऐसा था कि थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड में जाता हूँ। 2 साल से कोशिश चालू थी कि मॉर्निंग वॉक स्टार्ट करना है, अपने को थोड़ा सा फिटनेस का ज़रूरत है। बट एक रहता है ना कि कोई साथ हो तो अच्छा है, तो वो साथ होने के चक्कर में अभी तक कभी स्टार्ट हुआ ही नहीं। तो मूवमेंट 73 ने वो मेरे को साथ दिया। और एक क्या है कि ग्रुप से जो एक मोटिवेशन होता है कि सब लोग इतना अच्छे से कर रहे हैं, लेट अस डू, चलो घूम के आते हैं, चलो थोड़ा सा साइकिलिंग कर लेते हैं, या फिर थोड़ा सा 1 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर रनिंग कर लेते हैं। इससे क्या हुआ कि एक अवेयरनेस भी हुआ, थोड़ा सा ये हमारा लॉकडाउन का जो पीरियड था, बोर हो रहा था, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेशमेंट भी हुआ। प्लस इसमें एक चीज़ अच्छी हुई, सिटिंग का जो पोस्चर है, स्टैंडिंग का जो पोस्चर है, वो ज़रूर मेरा ठीक हुआ है, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत दिनों से ट्राई कर रहा था। और एक सेल्फ मोटिवेशन हो गया, लोगों का साथ मिल गया, तो उसकी वजह से चीज़ें होती गई। ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड आई हैव लॉस्ट 4 kg of weight and approximately 4 inches of belly fats, and all thanks to Movement 73. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Pavanji. Hello. Yeah. Thank you so much, Pavanji. I think apart from the weight loss, आपने कल हमको ग्रुप में food की tips भी दी है. I know we are expert in that also, so we look forward to listening more about you from that also.
आई एम
Coming.
आई एम अ फूडी। मुझे मतलब है ना, थोड़ा सा स्वाद में ऊपर नीचे हो ना, तो वो मुझे महसूस हो जाता है उस चीज़ को देखने से। चाय जो होती
Okay.
है, चाय में उसका रंग देख के मालूम चल जाता है कि शक्कर कितनी है, शक्कर है कि नहीं है। तो चाय देख के अपनी बीवी को बोल देता हूँ कि उसमें शक्कर नहीं है, तो भूलिए आज।
Right. So these are the traits of an auditor. You are a very good auditor in that sense, sir. So amazing to know. Coming to from Ichal Karanji going to Rajkot, CA Jalpa Shah has joined us. I think Jalpa, when we all know, is among the top 3 all the time, front runner in the performances. Jalpa, if you can address all of us.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. Have a yoga fight morning, and I'm super delighted to share my experience. And there are many events which come across our life which give positive and negative effects and which makes you grow stronger. But this movement 73 is very special. It's fantabulous, and it is by a CA for CA. Like CA is charismatic amalgamation of all of us. So I would like to thank Harit sir for such an innovative idea, and the whole team, Anjali ma'am and Siddhi ma'am for such a wonderful app, then Jitendra bhai for hosting all the sessions, and the whole team. So the only way to discover the limits is to go beyond limits, and we all have proved it by doing every different things every day. Each different activities in Iki Henka, they are just commendable. And I would like to say, as a chartered accountant, we are always expected to be doing audits, tax planning, financing, budgeting. So, but before being CA, we were like normal human beings. So we all had our own hobbies, some at dancing, cooking, singing, everything. बट वो बीच में पूरी बुक्स के बीच में वो सब पीछे छूट गया, एंड कमाने भी लगे, सब करने लगे, बट बीच में हमने जीना छोड़ दिया. But this movement 73 had brought us everything back in our life, and there is a specific image of a CA, I would say, that is serious, intellectual, and बहुत कम बोलना चाहिए, and even charge for the advice if you give. I don't fit in that box. So I have heard this line many times कि मैम आप गलत लाइन में आ गए हो. But I would like to say I would love to be that out of the box and doing all my hobbies and everything. And this movement 73 had give that habit to all of us to be fit every day, do everything, different sessions, do your things, but take time for yourself, love yourself, and go beyond limits. Thank you so much. Thank you again. Applause
Thank you
for
so much.
everybody, and applause for yourself too. Hats off to the team of Ahmedabad.
Thank you so much, Jalpa. Great to know. Great to know the way you are doing your things passionately. I think it's really infectious. We all should be now, trying to match your level of energy and enthusiasm. From Rajkot coming to Ahmedabad, CA Monica Agarwal, request if you can please address all of us.
Mama रोज जुम्मा करती है.
Yes, sir. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, Monica, you're audible.
कैसा है पंटर लोग? अपन इधर खा पी के मस्ती कर रहे हैं और अपन को मालूम कि तुम लोग भी उधर मस्ती में झूम रहे होंगे. क्या बोलती पब्लिक? Sounds weird, na? Even I also thought so many times that whether should I use this language? But then I thought I can't let waste the lecture on emotional fitness that was so amazingly delivered by Mrs. Darsa Thakkar on last Sunday. Wherein one of the topic was expression, that why don't we express ourselves, and it may be in any language. Then I imagined that Sanju Baba came to me and said, शर्माना छोड़ डाल, राज दिल के खोल डाल, आजू बाजू मत देख, जो चाहे बोल डाल. क्या बोलती पब्लिक? You know, the beauty of this fitness carnival is not just the physical fitness, but emotional and mental fitness is also have been taken care of equally. मतलब वो 4 pillars of exercise and पैरों के आर्च, फिर वो एक्यूप्रेशर, मतलब इनको जो लगा कि आपको इससे मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट मिले वो चीजें यहाँ लानी है और आपको उसका नॉलेज देना है. This is not the first time when I'm doing exercise. I started it in March 2020 when first lockdown was announced. And क्या था उसमें, एक दिन रात को मतलब पूरा जोश भर लिया कि कल सुबह उठ के एक्सरसाइज करनी है. कल सुबह उठी, एक्सरसाइज की 30-45 मिनट, एंड वही बैक पेन क्योंकि फर्स्ट डे था. तो फिर अगेन 7 से 10 दिन का मस्त आराम ले लिया और उसके बाद अगेन वो एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट की. अगेन 7 से 10 दिनों का आराम. मतलब ये तो क्या एक्सरसाइज हुई दैट. But these 63 days were just amazing. It has changed my morning all the way. And more than that, that 62 days, one day that when I was there in live session, oh God, मतलब विजय सर इज, जब भी मेरी बॉडी ने कहा कि अब नहीं हो सकता, विजय सर was good going ma'am, perfect, and I was like, yes, I can do this. No, I took this fitness carnival as a competition, and I told to myself that yes, I will win this competition in any way. But gradually when people started uploading their videos that they and their activities, that they have done so much cycling, running, they have so good in yoga postures, I was like, madam, આપણું અહીંયા કાંઈ ન આવે, આપણાથી બી મોટા તુર્રમખા બેઠા છે. But when chairman sir, Jitendra sir, Vijay sir started admiring me, I was like, this is more than enough. When people know you by your name, that means you have improved yourself that much enough. And this is the best thing of this carnival, seriously. I like dance, बट जितने भी मैंने फैमिली फंक्शंस अपने अटेंड किए, सोशल फंक्शंस में क्या होता था, हाथों के मूवमेंट्स होते थे, एक्सप्रेशंस होते थे, बट व्हाट अबाउट दी लेग्स मूवमेंट. But thanks to that Zumba session, and now I started involve those steps into my dance. Thank you very much for that. And by the end of this movement, I can give surety to myself that whatever money earned by me will not be spent down on medication, but will surely be spent down on meditation. You know, if you can remind, वो पीकू मूवी का एक डायलॉग अगर आपने देखा हो तो, सुना हो तो, कि एक उम्र के बाद माँ बाप को जिंदा रहना नहीं होता, बट हमें उन्हें जिंदा रखना पड़ता है. तब आपने वो किया है, मतलब जो भी अपनी ड्यूटीज से, अपनी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज से रिटायर हो चुके हैं, आपने उन्हें वो वजह दी है मॉर्निंग में उठने की, खुद के लिए जीने की. So that's the great job you have done. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for coming up with these ideas and for inviting me to share my experience. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, Monica ji. आई थिंक सब लोग वही बोल रहे हैं, विजय यहीं बैठे, इनफैक्ट हम लोगों को भी डर लगता है उनसे, वी आर ऑल कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज ऑफ हिम, बट वेरी वेल सेड, बोले तो आपने
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
जोरदार बोला, वी रियली एंजॉयड योर स्पीच, एंड आई थिंक हमको
Thank you very much, sir.
स्पेशल मार्क्स एक्टिंग के और डायलॉग डिलीवरी के भी रखने चाहिए, तो आई एम श्योर आप टॉप 10 में ही अब से ऊपर चले जाएंगे, बट अमेजिंग
Sir,
वर्क।
it's my passion also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Monica ji. Now coming to someone from Coimbatore, a very senior person and very active in our movement, CA Parvati Srinivasan ji. If you can please address all of us. Ma'am, if you can please unmute yourself. Parvati ji, if you can please unmute yourself. Okay, so by the time she joins in, let us have an announcement regarding the weight loss. I think we have been telling since last 3 or 4 weeks that we are going to track the weight loss that you'll be entering in the web-based application. And yesterday evening, we have, we got a list of people who have entered in the application. Hence, we are giving their names, who have lost 5 kgs or more in 63 days so far. So I think big round of applause to all of them. Before I announce the name, it takes a lot of guts to do that. And the one who has lost the most as per the application. Now there will be people who have lost even more than this, but they have not entered in the web-based application. So full marks here to the ones who have entered. First is Sumita Gidwani ji, who has lost 9 kgs. Now she has entered in the application. 9 kgs she has lost in 63 days. Yogesh Kumar, he has lost 7.7 kgs. Meghna Shah, who has lost 6.4 kgs. Then Chirag Shah, Priya Shah, and Nisha Ambekar, they have lost 6 kgs. All three of them have lost 6 kg each. Jigisha Khemka has lost 5 kgs. I remember she's a student from Kolkata. She has lost 5 kgs. And Vipul Raka, again a chartered accountant from Ahmedabad, he has lost 5 kgs. So kudos to all the people who actually entered the data. And there are a lot of people who have lost 4 kgs, 3 kg, but we wanted to have a benchmark of more than 5 kgs. So in case you have done it, please enter it this week. We'll announce your name in the coming weeks. Now, before I hand over to the next session, a few important announcements. Last week, if you see the leaderboard, if you can please share the leaderboard again, there were a lot of people who were at the verge of becoming in top 10. So I will just share the leaderboard again. The one earlier one. Yes. So in this leaderboard, if you can see, out of the top 10, there were emerging players. Now, the emerging players were just 4 or 5 marks behind, of the other players. So there was a very thin line of difference. So we thought this week, let us make it interesting. Next 10 days, let's say from 20th to 30th of June, we'll have additional bonus points, or we call it wildcard points, that we want to give to all the participants. So we have identified four as of now, 4 different challenges that you can do it to get the additional points. The first is the use of filter. I think we have a very interesting Instagram filter, and the people who are using it will be getting 10 bonus points. So I would request all of you to download that filter and use it and post it on your social media. You'll be getting 10 marks for that. The second is, yesterday evening we were seeing the nutrition group, and Pavanji is here with us. He was discussing about the dishes. So we thought of having something very interesting. HIT dishes. So you have to prepare HIT. So H stands for healthy, I stands for innovative, and T stands for tasty. So आपका HIT तीनों fulfill होना चाहिए. HIT dishes you have to prepare. Send it in the group of nutrition along with the ingredients. We are not going to come and taste it, but we believe that it will be tasty. But along with the ingredients, please share it in the group, and based on that, you'll be getting 20 extra marks for that. The third challenge, we want to have more of participants challenging each other. So the challenge is like you have to challenge your friends. So for example, if I challenge Rahul bhai to do a, let's say, burpees act, let's say a Tabata act, I tell him to do 20 burpees. If he does 20 burpees, I will get marks. So it is my responsibility to make sure that Rahul does it. So you have to challenge your friend. One friend can be challenged only one time. You all cannot be challenging Jalpa or Rajiv bhai only. You have to challenge other friends. So this is a very interesting thing. Challenge your friend. You have to put the challenge in the group. So all the WhatsApp groups are there in which you are the part of it. Put a challenge to your friend who has not been active or who has been less active. Let the friend do that activity, and based on that, you will be getting 20 marks. I think 20 marks for that challenge as well. So very interesting thing. You can give challenge maybe a Tabata act. You can challenge a Zumba act. Whatever you want to challenge, but preferably we want to have a Tabata act as a challenge for all of them. And the fourth important thing that we have come up with is we have been together for 63 days now, and the next 10 days our journey is going to end. But before that, we all want to know your story. So what's your story? How have your experience been for Movement 73? We want to know your story in, let's say, 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. You can record your story and send it to us. The one who will be sending the story will be getting additional 30 points. So these are the additional points. All the details will be shared in the group. So I repeat once again, use of filter for 10 marks. HIT dishes, if you prepare and send in the nutrition group, you'll be getting extra 20 marks. The third is challenge your friend, 20 marks. Again, I repeat it, if your friend does it, you will get the marks, not the friend. And the fourth is what's your story? So you want to know your story in 2.5 minutes, it will be another 30 marks. So these are the additional marks that you can gain, so that I'm sure next week the top 10 are going to change with the kind of performances everybody will do. Now, apart from this, we have the weekly challenges, that 1 minute, 2 minute challenges that we have. Siddharth, you can please show the screen. So before I request Siddharth to play the screen, I think I would request um, Harsh Patel. I think he's the husband of Siddhi Shah. Siddhi has been the one behind the wonderful web-based application that we see, and she's a core member and the IT committee member as well. And her husband is going to give a testimonial. It is not for Siddhi, it is for us. So Harsh Patel, if you have joined us, you can please unmute yourself and give your testimonial.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Good morning.
Very good morning, all of you. Thank you very much, Moment 73 and Harit ji, for this tremendous and very helpful event. जब से आपका ये Moment 73 शुरू हुआ है, तब से मैं सिद्धि की वजह से थोड़ा बहुत इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ, और थैंक्स टू यू पर्सनली हरित जी कि आप जिस हिसाब से इसमें वर्क कर रहे हो, और जो हिसाब से आपका जो पूरा दिन का एनर्जी होने के बाद भी लेट नाइट आपकी मीटिंग्स जो रहती है, उसके बावजूद भी आप सुबह 7 बजे उठ के एवरी सेशन जो अटेंड कर रहे हो, दैट्स मेड मी इंस्पायर्ड कि मैं भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट हूँ। पिछले 1.5-2 साल से बहुत कुछ लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ था कि उसकी वजह से थोड़ा बहुत एक्सरसाइज छूट गया था, रेगुलर बेस पे एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पा रहे थे, थोड़ा वेट गेन हो गया था। सो द डे शुगर चैलेंज हैज स्टार्टेड, I have lost my 4 kgs and I completely avoid sugar. मैंने शुगर तब से बंद कर दिया है, और उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, लाइक नेचुरल शुगर्स फ्रूट्स में से ले लो, जैगरी है। तो उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है कि मैंने अपना 4 किलो मोर देन 4 kgs आई हैव लॉस्ट, और बेली फैट जो है वो मेरा बहुत ही कम हो गया है। सो थैंक्स टू यू एंड योर होल टीम, और जिस हिसाब से आप पूरा इवेंट कंडक्ट कर रहे हो, मैं बहुत नज़दीक से देख रहा हूँ कि आप बहुत ही ट्रिमेंडस जॉब, और आपकी पूरी टीम जो भी है वो बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से ये पूरे इवेंट को कंडक्ट कर रही है। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर चेंजिंग माय लाइफ। और थोड़ा बहुत अभी क्या है कि मैं रूटीन में आ रहा हूँ, रेगुलर बेसिस पे एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ, एक्टिव लाइफ की ओर मैं बढ़ रहा हूँ। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Harsh. Thank you for giving Siddhi to us. Give time to Siddhi, that he can devote it to us. She has been very active right from our evening meetings to coming to branch. Thank you so much for that. And great to know that you have lost 4 kgs by following the no sugar challenge. And I'm sure we all will continue it going forward as well.
Yes.
Thank you, Harsh. And Parvati ji, if you have joined again, if you can unmute yourself. Okay, so I think there is some network issue. So we will straight away come to the 2-minute challenges that we have this week. So apart from the bonus points, Siddharth, I would request you can share the screen. So this time we have 2 challenges. One is Surya Namaskar challenge, the 2 minutes challenge. So basically in 2 minutes, how many sets you can do, it's up to you. But 2 minutes you have to do Surya Namaskar. So that is a challenge. You have to do the challenge. And for all the challenges, I want to repeat that please enter in the web-based application. There is other activity. Please enter there 1 minute challenge. The video you can post it in our groups, but the activity has to be entered in the web-based application. And the second challenge is a very interesting challenge. I'll say it's a 2 states challenge. Now, 2 states, you all know why 2 states, because yesterday a lot of people requested that let us have this cultural dance, cultural workout extended, because lot many people wanted to do it, but they could not do it. So we have come up with something very innovative again. 2 states challenge is something that you have to perform the cultural dance of the state which you don't belong to. For example, if I am in Gujarat, I will not be doing Garba. I'll be doing, let's say, a Bihu dance or a Bhangra dance, any other thing, any other state I can choose, but from my own state. So this 2 states challenge will also give us a chance to know about the culture of other states. So I would request all the participants to try to do a dance which you are not familiar with. Everybody should not do a Bhangra. Everybody should not do a Lavani dance or a Rajasthani folk dance. Let us go ahead and do something very different. So there are special marks for this. So again, a very interesting 2 states challenge, which is the weekly challenge for this week. Apart from this, as we discussed last week also, the importance of having lifestyle changes, the Iki Henka group, there are 2 very important points. First is detox thought week. Last week also we had came up with this concept wherein we all can follow this detox thought week. Let us not think about anything negative, think positive for the entire week. And the second was less screen time before we sleep. I know it's very difficult for us, but let us try to make a habit, cultivate a habit wherein we switch off our mobiles or use less of mobiles 2 hours, 3 hours before our sleep. So again, these are the 2 challenges which you should adopt for a lifestyle change. All these details will be shared in the group. With this, I once again thank all of you. I think we are running short of time because our faculty is here. I would request Rahul Bhai, if you can thank all the participants here and also say a few words about the movement.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you to all the participants for your active participation, and also the special thanks to the Pawanji, Jalpa Ben, Monica Ben, and Parvati ji and Harsh Bhai for giving their live testimonial about and sharing their experience about this particular Moment 73. It will definitely encourage others to also participate and do the active participation in the same. Thank you everyone once again.